and I am living in Losar. I have completed my 12th class with 93.40%. Currently, I am doing BSc first year from Rajiv Gandhi College, Monasar.
Fantastic.
My hobbies are to help the poor people. My family is my strength. Thanks, that's all for me.
Great.
So
Which is your topic, my dear? On which topic do you want to speak?
I want to speak in importance of English.
Importance of English.
Yes, sir.
Do you know?
Yes, sir.
Then you can speak here.
Hello, friends. Today I am going to tell about the importance of English. English is an international language. People speak English all over the world. In India, around 60% population speak English. The Bangalore city has the highest population speaking of English. Today we need English in every interview and every government job. By the help of English, we can do all the international businesses and deals. Uh, Hindi is our native language, not all other countries. But English is common here for everyone. Thank you.